Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to unlock your iPhone when you forgot your password. After you guess in your password for 5 times, it will lock your phone. After that, you will see two options. Then you choose the forgot password. Now all you have to do is reset your iPhone. Tap on the Start iPhone Reset button. You can forget your iPhone passcode, but you must remember your Apple ID password. After you type your password, it will erase your data of your phone, and it will give you two options. You can keep your eSIM or you can delete the eSIM. Now choose keep the eSIM if you want to. After you're done on the steps, now it will start to reset. Then your phone will appear the interface just like when you first started set up your phone. Now you will start all over again. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe.